Right, well, good morning. Kind of got a monkey wrench thrown in this morning. It's not nice outside. It's not raining yet, which will make 12 cruises in a row if it does, and it's supposed to. But it's cold and it's windy. So
we're inside for now.
So she got her beignets here at Emerald's. So we'll show you those when they come. So anyway, we're gonna probably go to the morning show and do some other stuff.
Yeah, they're gonna be delicious. I'll send you a picture.
I wish I could eat them, but I can't. Okay, anyway, we'll see you in a little bit. Terry's beignets are here. A couple of little dipping sauces. Not that I know what either one of them.
This is chocolate, I think.
Chocolate.
And that's cherry.
And it's cherries or her beignets. Yummy, yummy. Look at her all happy. And she ain't sharing. So what we got right here is a frap decaffeinated. It's like a milkshake and it is so good. I got this at the Java Blue. The line was about 3 miles long, but pretty fast. Yum, yum. Show, which will be also simulcast out by the pool. But we're going to watch it live since it's kind of nasty weather, as you can see out the windows.
We got a lot of people today. We got a lot of people. I'm nervous. You have to turn it on? She's on. We're going to go officially live all around the ship, up on Nido, in the cabins, in 3, 2, 1, action. Oh, it's gonna be quiet. You ever seen it today? And we're officially live all day. Alright, tell us what's happening tomorrow or throughout the whole cruise. Because I know, okay, so anyone out there cruised on the Mardi Gras before? Give it up for Jenny from Canada. And your name, where are you from?
Larry, Kansas City.
Kansas City. What team are you going for?
Chiefs.
Alright, so facing each other. We're facing each other. This is going to be a quick elimination game. The game is called Bing Bang Boom. I'm going to ask you a question. You're going to just answer. So, for example, name a girl's name. Mary, Sandra, whatever, back and forth. If you repeat something, the point goes to the next person. If you stay quiet for too long, the point goes to the next person. Nice and easy. So the very first category, I need you to mention a boy's name. A boy's name.
Liam.
David.
Bill.
Gavin.
Sean.
Weston.
George.
Charlie.
Alan.
Alejandro.
Mike.
Miguel.
Barry.
Juanito.
Patrick.
Juan.
1, 2. Now, folks, we are going to be doing Family Feud, the final editions right over here.
Yes.
Tell us what's happening today.
11.
My name is Keegan, I'm part of your fun squad, and first and foremost, we would like to give a big round of applause to our amazing families right over here. Show them some love, everybody. Now, these incredible 18 families are about to come on the stage and compete for a spot in that final show, and it's going to be happening tomorrow. Now, we...
There you go, back here. Alright, definitely a little loud in here, but we're going to go to the seafood shack. We got a $50 from the casino. let you know what we get. All right, so we got our pager. We'll wait for our bowl of clam chowder, our fried fish dinner for Terry, and my peel and eat shrimp to come. Yummy. Hey, what you got? Point it out.
Seafood platter, shrimp, calamari, clams, and fish.
And French fries. And she got her some hush puppies. I got clam chowder and peel and eat shrimp. Thank you, Casino Maritza. We're in the search of a Bluetooth speaker that they banned. Oh no. There they are. They got plenty. Oh, there he is again, trying to get rid of another one. But that one don't play music though.
This one doesn't play music.
No. Alright, so when you get on the ship, you can't bring a Bluetooth speaker. They're banned now. Nobody can bring them, no small ones, no big ones. But yet you can go into the Carnival store and buy one.
Lovey Boppy one,
And you
yay!
can buy one and you can still use it because you can take it back to your room.
The guy told us to take it to the hot tub.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the hot tub.
Ready for this? All right, drop that beat. Let's go.
Alright, you can watch the game in the theater.
She has no hope.
Right here in the main Mardi Gras theater. Or you can watch it outside. Alright, here we are. We're going to try chabang tonight. A little bit of Mexican, a little bit of Chinese.
It's going to be so good.
I'm going to get the Kung Pao chicken. Hot, hot, hot. Alrighty. We'll let you know what we get.
It's going to be delicious.
Delicious.
We're hungry.
Hey, what you got?
Nachos, with loaded
Nachos.
nachos, and spring rolls.
Spring roll. Yummy. And I got the pork belly to start with. My second appetizer. Egg drop soup. Terry got Kung Pao chicken, still waiting on the rice. I got Kung Pao chicken, still waiting on my rice, but I got a side of noodles, fried noodles to go with it. Yum, yum.
Pass first to set up the run mentality.
Here's Pacheco again.
In these efforts, Andy. Well, he's MVP. And that's all that needs to be said, right?
The aftermath of Super Bowl. Looks like we had a party. All right, it's time for a nighty night. No casino tonight.
We just got through watching the Super Bowl.
Yep, congratulations, Kansas City Chiefs.
Go Chiefs!
Way to go, RJ and Danny.
Yeah, we're
Glad
happy
your little
for you
team
guys.
won.
We're happy for you guys. They played good. They played
They
good. It was a
did. Good game at least.
Yeah, we had fun. And lots of parties on the ship for
Oh,
the
yeah.
Super Bowl.
Yeah, the whole. Well, you saw it in the video. The whole deck out there looked like a big party happened.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Big party. So
So-
it was fun.
Yep, it was. Anyway, so kind of a yucky day today, real windy and kind of cool. So didn't do a lot of laying out by the pool, but we had a good day. Went to the casino, lost some more money.
Uh-huh.
Sorry. And she watched a movie. But anyway, we're going to call it a night. And
we got
we're going back to our old school.
ice
No
cream
chocolate
time.
martini tonight.
Ice
and
cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Right, and no hot chocolate. The only place you can get hot chocolate after 9 o'clock at night is down on deck 6.
But
That's it.
we wanted ice cream.
Yep. So anyway,
So-
alrighty. So we'll see you tomorrow. We'll be in Nassau. May get off and go to Atlantis. Not 100% sure if the weather's bad or not. But see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Night.
Night, night.